Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to simplify this question on the board. If today is your first time of watching, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page at Shabes Online Tutorial. So the question on the board says we should simplify 1 over 3 minus 1 over c everything over 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. This is in fraction. So solution. This question can also be written as 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6 divided by, I'll change this long division to this, then divided by 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6. So if you want to solve this equation, if you want to simplify this kind of question, though the first thing you will do is to look for the LCM. We are going to deal with the one in the left hand side first before the right hand side. So you find the LCM of 6 and 3, and of course LCM of 6 and 3 is equal to 6. So what we are going to do is to multiply both type by multiply each term by the LCM, and the LCM is 6. So I have 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 minus 6 multiplied by 1 over 6 divided by, you look for the LCM of 3 and 6 again, which is 6. So we are going to multiply everything by the LCM, which is 6. I'll have 6 multiplied by 1 over 3, then plus 6 multiplied by 1 over 6. So from here, I can went further to simplify this. 6 multiplied by 1, I have 6 over 3 here. Then minus 6 multiplied by 6 is by 1 is 6 over 6, which is divided by 6 multiplied by 3 by 1 is 6 over 3 plus 6 multiplied by 1 is still 6 over 6. So from here, I can went further to simplify the 3 divided by 3 is a 2 minus 6 divided by 6 is 1 divided by 6 divided by 3 is also 2, then 6 divided by 6 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, then divided by 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So our final answer will be 1 divided by 3, but we are going to convert it into this fraction, which is 1 divided by 3. So this is our answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.